Build a beautiful homeland, wonderful light music, electric universal, telescopic arm digging, building a good helper. Let the children into small engineer. Yes, you can make your children engineers by watching a tiny excavator toy roll around and blind you with its lights and blow out your eardrums.